Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com, and this is the electrical question of the day. Let's get to it. Among commercially standard round or octagonal outlet junction boxes, which smallest nominal box size would satisfy box fill capacity requirements for exactly 8 number 10 conductors, assuming no devices, internal clamps, or other volume affecting components are present? And the options were A 4 by 2 1/4 box, B, a 4 by 2 1/8 box, C, a 4 by 1 1/4 box, and D, a 4 by 4 box. And the correct answer is B. And for this one, we're going to head to table 314.16a. When we have wires that are all of the same size, we're going to be using table 314.16a. Anytime we're dealing with this table, the number one thing that we need to pay attention to is this right here, the box type. We want to make sure that we don't leave the first 3 lines because those are the only ones that are good for round octagonal boxes. Let's take a look at it now. Then we come across the top, and this is our maximum allowed wires. If they're all of the same size, this is like a cheat sheet table. We're going to find 10 gauge conductors, and in this case, we have to find one that at least encompasses 8 10 AWG wires. So we're going to come down and find one. It happens to land right on 8, but it could say 9 or 10. As long as it encompasses those 8s, it's okay. Then we're going to cross over and find out that our box is a 4 by 2 1/8. Great job. I want to encourage you today to keep up the good fight, keep up the good work. I know that you can do it. If you need anything from me, you can email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. Let's get to it.